Yeah!
I love football, man.
You gotta love football.
It's better than football.
No, I mean, really pinch myself every day.
Hey, I like that. There it is. How y'all doing? Welcome, welcome.
Let's go, let's go!
Let's go, Red. Let's go. Young, feeling good, feeling quick.
I'm outstanding.
Can't believe you got pants on.
Yeah, it's kind of my thing, you know.
Golfing guy?
Kind of my what?
You a golfing guy?
I like to golf.
Yeah, like Ronde
Spend
golf
time
all
out
the time.
there.
And he
Yeah,
got his pants on.
yeah. I don't know. I just like to, show my little white, measly, piddly legs. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be exposed. I see you.
Yeah, it looks good.
I never showed my legs.
They look great. Look at them. You should show them more.
I mean, look at this. Look at all this support personnel you got over here. I mean, look at this. Huh?
I got you, man.
That's all. Hey, whatever you need, I'll get somebody over here fanning the towel on your ass. But you better play like that.
Oh my God, it's hot.
It is a little toasty.
You know, I don't know what to talk about. I don't see any rain.
As long as we don't get the lightning, I want to stay out here.
My stretch and warm-up today was jogging to take a leak. It's like 2 miles away.
Come with a purpose today. Come with a purpose.
Yo, let's go to work, man. Ho, ho, ho. Oh.
Ah, damn it!
Nobody's excited back here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ah! Ah! Tell him stop playing with you.
That's the move.
It's fun, isn't it? Yeah. It's fun, man.
That's what I'm talking about, bud. Good. That's a sweaty hand.
We got a new handshake. Dude,
I told you, not like that.
what about that one?
Nah,
You can't. I told them we're alien.
This the most I can do. You can't spread your fingers. This the most I can do.
That's gonna have to be enough, bro. That's gonna have to be enough.
Do we have a nickname for Gridone?
Jake the Snake.
Jake the Snake.
Jake from State Farm.
Okay, all right. Okay, I get it.
I just called you Forrest Gump right there. Did you know you were on the 1 yard line?
I did hear you say back one line.
Yeah. You were on the 1, so you don't have to get quite as deep when you're out. You still scored, but you just like Forrest Gump right up the tunnel.
Tyler, why are you playing gospel Sunday morning on a football practice field? Well, we need hype music and everything else. Tyler, you 0 for 2 right now, Tyler.
This sounds like my car in college.
Now you can hit somebody.
Oh, yeah. Let's get it, fellas. Let's get it, fellas. Let's get it, fellas. Oh, my God. You're the king of the jungle, but like this a pack of hyenas. You better get your ass out of here.
You here?
Yeah.
Don't let me get that space. Man.
Yeah.
If you stay on me, as long as you're not here, that's still.
Yeah.
I mean?
I'll let you body me out. I gotta try and keep inside.
Only spot I can throw the ball.
Yeah.
But we want you to put it in, we want you to put it somewhere with, like from the red line over, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So you really have 5.
It's 5 yards.
Plus the wind.
Phone booth.
It's like a tight green in British Open.
That's right.
You know what I mean?
Phone coverage. That's what we have.
Yeah, you got little greens.
I told those guys to really pick it up in period 1. I can't believe they're blowing their wad early. I got those guys on salary.
What's the shortest month of the year?
February.
Nah, it's May. They only got 3 letters.
You can do my handshake. This is the alien club, man.
Yeah, man. Justin and me are the only ones in it, so we'll let you in honorary.
What's that?
Like Doctor Strange, the movie.
Yeah, I saw it, but what's the symbol?
So that's what he does. When he does his powers, that's how.
Is that when that big thing comes in? Does he have powers?
Sorry. Matt, ain't nobody buying that. Meow, meow. Boom, give to him. There you go, perfect, great ball placement.
Woo! Great job, one.
Get it.
Oh yeah!
Touchdown.
That's how we finish practice, baby. Just like that.
To read the goat.
There you go, big dog.
I love you too.
Oh! All right, guys. All right, here we go, guys. Bring it in real quick.
Hey, really good first day, right?
We threw some situations at you. You handled it.
We have to be the most highly conditioned team in the NFL. It's hard to do that. It's hard to do that.
Just keep grinding, all right? We're getting better each and every day.
We are going to be hell to deal with.
When we do our job,
We win.
We go.
Yes.
Oh, hey, B. Lynch, you coming over all the time, man.
By the way, come on, come on, bring it up, straight up, straight up. He's gonna hit the sun. He's gonna hit the sun.
I hope they don't hit that bird up there.
Where the heck is he coming down? Is he coming down? Holy cow. Anyway.